Hi, I'm Mike, Managing Director of SmartPack. We're a family-owned business that have been renovating kitchens, laundries, bathrooms and home offices for the last 30 years. Over the past few months, we've been asked questions like, how can I save more money around the house? I want a new home office, but where do I begin? What are the right kitchen accessories for me? So we have decided to share with you a few gems in a series called The Secrets of SmartPack. This is the first in the series where we'll explore how you can save money around the house. Firstly, make sure you've changed all your light bulbs around the house to energy-saving LED lights. Next, in the laundry, make sure you use cold cycle to wash your clothes. Set your heating in the house to a comfortable level, not too high. And finally, in the kitchen, after you've used your oven, open the door of the oven to let the warm air heat the house. If this has prompted you to start any project around the house, give us a call on 1300 459 305 or click the link and visit our website. Have a great day. Stay safe.